Hello children. So today let us do the most important part of acid base salts, that is preparation of salts. First of all we'll do the preparation of soluble salts. Preparation of soluble salts. And before doing this, we should know which salts are soluble. Which of the salts are soluble in water? Note down these. All salts of sodium, potassium and ammonium are soluble in water. So first of all salts of sodium, potassium and ammonium are soluble. Secondly, all nitrates are soluble. Nitrate, that is NO3 1. All nitrates are soluble, like calcium nitrate, magnesium nitrate, zinc nitrate. So all nitrates are soluble. Third one, all nitrites are soluble. Nitrite, that is NO2 1. So all nitrates are also soluble. Fourth one, all chlorides, bromides and iodides are soluble except silver chloride, mercury chloride, lead chloride. So all chlorides, bromides and iodides are soluble except the silver chloride, mercury chloride and lead chloride. Lead chloride is the only salt which is soluble in hot water. Lead chloride is having white pipity, but this is soluble in hot water. Next one, all sulfates are soluble except lead sulfate PbSO4, calcium sulfate CaSO4 and barium sulfate, that is BaSO4. So all sulfates are soluble except lead sulfate, calcium sulfate and barium sulfate. This is the most important part. You have to go through this. Then after that, now let us do the preparation of soluble salts. Different methods of preparation are there. First method of preparation for the soluble salt, that is direct combination. Direct combination or synthesis. We know what is direct combination: when one element combines with the other element, that is direct combination. Or synthesis, like Na plus Cl2 gives NaCl. So this is direct combination of sodium and chlorine, and this is giving the salt sodium chloride. Fe plus Cl2 gives FeCl3. This is also direct combination. iron plus chlorine, that is iron 3 chloride. This is ferric chloride. So ferric chloride that can also be prepared by direct combination or synthesis. Aluminium plus chlorine, that gives aluminium chloride. This is also direct combination. So when there is combination of two elements and they give the salt, that method is direct combination, and these three salts, they are the soluble salts. Second method, that is by simple displacement. Simple displacement. What is the simple displacement? That is, the more active element displaces the less active element. That is simple displacement, when more active element displaces a less active element, and this can be Zn plus HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. This is simple displacement, and the salt formed is zinc chloride. This is soluble salt, and hydrogen is less reactive than zinc, so it has displaced hydrogen. Zn plus H2SO4 gives ZnSO4 plus H2. Simple displacement. Mg plus H2SO4 gives MgSO4 plus H2. This is simple displacement. So simple displacement, second method, that is by simple displacement. Many salts can be prepared by this method. More active element displaces the less active element. Third method, that is decomposition. Decomposition. What is decomposition? That is breaking up. First part of this, that is decomposition of bicarbonates by acid. So first is decomposition of bicarbonates by acid. Suppose sodium bicarbonate, when we put acid into it, that is HCl, that gives NaCl plus water plus carbon dioxide. This is decomposition of bicarbonates. Magnesium bicarbonate plus H2SO4 gives magnesium sulfate plus water plus carbon dioxide. This is also decomposition of bicarbonates. So these two are the soluble salts prepared by this method. Second, B part, that is decomposition of carbonates by acids. Decomposition of carbonates by acids, like sodium carbonate plus H2SO4 gives sodium sulfate plus water plus carbon dioxide. So this is decomposition of carbonates by acid, and this is soluble salt prepared. Next method, next part of this, that is C part, decomposition of chlorides by strong by concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4 like NaCl plus H2SO4. This is concentrated and temperature is kept below 200 degrees Celsius. Then NaHSO4 plus HCl. So this is NaHSO4 HCl that can be prepared by decomposition of chlorides by concentrated sulfuric acid. This can be NaCl plus H2SO4 concentrated, and when the temperature is above 200 degrees Celsius, then the salt formed is Na2SO4 plus HCl. So this is acid salt prepared and this is the normal salt prepared, and these two salts are soluble salts. Next is decomposition of nitrates by concentrated sulfuric acid. Here we will take potassium nitrate, niter plus H2SO4 concentrated and temperature given that is below 200 degrees Celsius, and the salt form it is KHSO4 potassium bisulfate plus HNO3. So this is also soluble salt. So we did 4 parts in decomposition. First is decomposition of bicarbonates with acid. Second is decomposition of carbonates by acids. Third is decomposition of chlorides by concentrated sulfuric acid, and the fourth one is decomposition of nitrates by concentrated sulfuric acid. So this is third method, that is decomposition. Fourth method, that is double decomposition. That is by mutual exchange of radicals. Double decomposition, and for the soluble salts we will use the neutralization. Neutralization. You know what is neutralization? That is when acid react with the base to form salt and water, that is neutralization. So here I'll add into it, that is the word titration. Titration, what is titration? This is like neutralization. This is a part of neutralization, but titration is used when the acid react with the soluble base. Soluble base, that is alkali. When acid react with the soluble base or alkali and gives salt plus water, that is called titration. Otherwise, when acid react with the base that gives salt and water, that is neutralization. So one addition is there, that is titration into it. Let us do some examples. Like acid plus base or alkali gives salt plus water. This is utilization. Acid, that is HCl, base, that is NaOH, that is alkali, and gives NaCl plus water. This is called titration. Another, that is H2SO4 plus MgO. MgO is a base, it is not an alkali. So that is MgSO4 plus water, and this is called neutralization. So when the base is soluble, when the base is alkali, then that is called titration. But sometimes this is also written as neutralization. But when the base is insoluble, that is purely neutralization. I hope that this is clear to you. And next is so this is all about the preparation of soluble salts. We did 4 methods. One is direct combination, second one is simple displacement, third one is decomposition, and fourth one is double decomposition, that is neutralization. Thank you.